Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to recall someone on WhatsApp. So let's start. First open the YouTube app. Now tap on the search icon at the top of the screen and search for Rickroll. Now find the original video and tap on the three dots of the video. Then tap share. Now copy the link. Now close the YouTube app and open a browser. Now go to bit.ly.com. Bit.ly is a website from where you can shorten the link. You have to paste the link here. Now tap on shorten your link and paste the link. Then tap on shorten. A short version of your link will be created, and now copy the link and open WhatsApp. Now open a conversation. Now paste the link. If you paste the shortened link, it will not show a preview. So whenever your contact will tap on the link, he will get rickrolled. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.